Hi y'all, and welcome to my channel. My name is Sarah and this is Firelight Creations. So I am a crocheter, artist, maker, crafter. I love everything creative. So I hope that you will join me, and please subscribe, like this video. It's my very first one, and I'm going to be doing an unboxing of a Furls alpha hook. So join me in my other camera for that unboxing. All right, so here's the box from Furls. Make sure that you open things with a box cutter. I'm being a little crazy with the amount of the blade showing. Also, always cut away from you. Just a couple of safety tips there, but I can't tell you how many YouTubers are opening things with scissors or some dull butter knives or something. All right. And get the last part. Talking so much about how to properly open up a box, but I'm not even doing it right. All right, so what is in this box? And lots of nice eco-friendly paper packaging, no plastics. What is in here is Furls does Alive. So if you don't know what Furls is an Austin, Texas-based manufacturer of hooks, crochet hooks, and they also have some yarns, and they do produce some patterns. And the very first hooks that they ever did were called alpha hooks, and they are these gorgeous hand-carved wooden hooks. And they occasionally come out with some more. A lot of times they are out of stock, but they just came out with a new one last week, and I was attending a Furls Live on Facebook, and I happened to be chosen as the winner. So this is the gorgeous packaging. It's a little bit, it's similar but different to the normal Furls packaging in that it's got the gold, and but it is a little bit more I would say like beigey warm color than the kind of coolish greenish back color. But and this is different also in that it is a box, but handmade in USA, because this is still hand turned. It's made of wood. Life is short. Use pretty tools. And oh my God, there it is. So let me very carefully pull it out here. And here it is. I'm going to bring this up to you. I picked a G because I have a specific project that I want to use a wooden hook for. But this is their brand new. This is so cool because it is not just wood, but it is also resin as well. And this is all hand turned. And it's a nice pointy hook, inline hook. I like the inline better. And it's ergonomic is the thing that Furls goes towards. So very beautiful hook, and it's got that emerald in the middle, and is just wow. I could just look at this all day, and I might. So that is my gorgeous new Furls. Thank you so much to Furls. I'm not affiliated with them, but I am a huge fan of them because I have had wrist surgeries on both my wrists, and I've had carpal tunnel, and so I need to have something that is nice and safe and lovely to hold. And so I have, I would say like medium-sized hands, just for, you know, to you to know what the size is. Each one of these are going to be different because they are all hand done. And so of course, you know, resin is going to take the color differently. It's going to have different amounts of wood in there. So I love how the resin is kind of leaking into the wood, so to speak, on there. And then they have different baubles, shapes and stuff like that. The shape of the hook is not going to be different, of course, but the rest of it is going to be kind of all dependent on how the wood turns out and how the makers need to bring it out. So that is a gorgeous hook. Thank you so much to Furls for this. It retails at $149.99, I believe, on the website. But if you are watching this today, I am recording this on June 20th, 2024. June 21st, 2024, they are celebrating their birthday, and they always have a lot of sales. So take advantage of those sales and go to the Furls Lives, because dang, is it ever worth it. Because I have won some hooks before, but this is just an absolute work of art. So I just wanted to show it off and show you guys what an alpha looks like, and especially this new one that has the emerald in it. So super gorgeous. I'm going to be very careful, but I will enjoy using it. So I wanted to show that off. All right, so that was the unboxing of that gorgeous Furls hook. I love it. Again, thank you so much to Furls, because this was a win. I won this during a live event, so I did not pay for this. They did not pay me to review it or anything like that. And well, this isn't even a review either. It's just an unboxing because it is gorgeous. It is an absolute work of art, and I'm going to be super careful using it in the future. But I will put, I did talk about them having their big sale on June 21st, 2024. I think that usually goes for about a week or so, and they have up to 70% off. I am not affiliated with Furls, so I don't get anything from you going to their links or anything like that, but I am going to put a link in the description below. And if you like my shirt, I bought that from Mixed Domestic. They have a ton of really cool, crafty, kind of sassy shirts as well. Lots of cool pride stuff, fabrics. So if you are into quilting or, weaving fabrics or anything like that, their channel is a great one to check out too. So I will put a link to that store as well. But again, thank you so much for joining me today, and I hope to see you again soon. Thanks, y'all.